Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. Today I am going to speak about the topic necessity to remain happy. In this session, let us see the link between sadness and health. Thereby we will get awareness, motivation, why we need to try to remain happy and linked value to health. Some people even think of their sadness, which happened before 20 years ago. Researchers found that it may lead to psychological problems, depression, further may lead to heart attack, etc. issues. Example, if we carry ghee enriched sweets inside a cloth bag, which is wrapped by a trace paper, covered by another layer of paper, the oil content of the sweet will slowly move to the cloth bag. It is impossible to remove the stain in the bag. Similarly, there may be a little panic or worry we may experience in our life. If we keep on thinking, it will transform slowly from mind to body gradually. This will affect the tendency of nerves of contraction and expansion, which will not allow fat to move or push inside the blood vessels, leads to heart block or attack. This is one of the possible way of spoiling our health. Researchers are also conveying that every disease has the possibility to start from mind filled with worries. If we throw away sadness from our mind, it will not damage our body permanently. If worries are transferred from mind to body, it is very difficult to cure it, and we know it is expensive. We will always assume that mind is the superior thing and underestimate half our body and will not take care of it. This need to be avoided. Researchers found that major cause for arthritis disease is that due to inability of ruling or controlling others. Example, we wish to scold somebody, but it became impossible due to competent or dependent position. If we continuously experience it and control our irritation or angriness, it will contract the mind and will push to arthritis complaint. Such people are unable to walk normally and always experience discomfort. Next, intestine is otherwise called as second brain. There is an invention in the medical field related to intestine called irritable bowel syndrome. If any irritations are filled in brain, the same amount will be deposited in intestine also. If you experience too much angriness and unable to remove from your mind, you may be affected by either loose motion or constipation. Actually, intestine do not have any problem. The sadness affects the intestine also. There is another fact invented through research that some people may have pain at neck area constantly. It means there is no friction or worn out at the area. It means they will always work more or may take other people loads exceeding their capacity. They should work to their allowable health ability. Also, they found the causes of skin disorders are due to different irritation, different types of angriness, guilty feel, misunderstanding the right thing as wrong. There is a mind-blowing proverb. A bird can able to fly over your head. You are unable to prevent and control it. But you can prevent the bird from living, laying eggs, hatching process on your head. Here the bird object is nothing but our sadness. We should not worry constantly over regular things like shall we go to office on time or not? Shall our children become a responsible person in future or not? If they started earning, whether they will spend for necessary things or not, whether they will give to us or not. After work, whether they will return to home on time or they will roam with their friends anonymously. It is all normal thoughts parents will have. Some parents may think whether our children will look after us in future or not. Even businessmen may get worry often to get return of their investment soon. Likewise, everybody will have some worries in their life which need to be avoided. In historical poems, there may be a narration. The face is filled with thoughts. Here, the thought refers to the worries. What we need to understand that sadness is not permanent. It will come and go away in the life like the bird. It may disappear. We should not allow sadness to live inside our mind and should not allow it to control. If we allowed to rule our willpower, it will spoil our health, happiness, positive aspects of life, etc. If we are unable to achieve something or did not get the expected thing, we should train our mind to remain happy and need to look forward. We should be in a clear state that we can try, work hard to the possible extent. Even we still got failure, we should try again because efforts are in our hands and need to believe good things will surely happen. Everybody should learn to manage failures also. This is the state of wisdom. With the above informations, we need to realize the relationship between sadness and health. We need to correct ourselves at the earliest by analyzing our stage. Moral of the article. Imagine life is like a harbor. Some ships may come like sadness. We have the willpower or capability to send it back at the earliest. Likewise, if we allow sadness to remain for a long time in our mind, it will affect the parts of the body one by one, and we know it is very difficult to correct it, and we are unable to enjoy the life. Hope this video will be useful to everybody. Thank you.